Hi, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be notified. Today, I want to explain some new updates on ODAP, what you need to know and what you need to get about ODAP. Now, ODAP is a platform whereby as a member of ODAP, you can earn through trading and tax completion and through networking, which means you networking referring. So when you visit odap.biz, this is how your dashboard will look like. So I don't want to take much of the time. We have the menu bar, we have everything, we have the get started, we have the write-up. ODAP is a program made to enrich and empower youth, students, working class and non-working class across the globe. The word ODAP means obtain daily asset portion. It is available for all. So you can log in and you can register. So you can log in or register. Now these are it work a short way of how it works. You register, you check your email for your login details, then you log in, then you start trading that way, and you can complete tax. So ODAP is the easiest way to make money in Africa at large ever been in Matrix. So you can just read up, and we have the testimony of some people, and we have how it works. With a lifetime membership fee, you have access to all changing services. So you can just go ahead and read. Then the marketing plan, no sponsoring or selling is needed. You get paid, blah blah blah. I don't want to take much of the time. You sign up, you start trading, then you cash out. So there are three marketing plan in ODAP. We have the trial plan, the starter, and the normal plan. So the trial plan, it is 100 naira. So if you're from Nigeria, this is what you will see, and this is the starter plan is 200 and the normal plan is 1000 naira. Sorry, if you are from Nigeria. If you're from other country, you are going to see your currency will be displayed here. So you can just try and go to select the one that you want. Don't be fooled by the total income here. These are this trial plan has 5 level, starter plan has 10 levels, and normal plan has 5 levels. So don't be deceived with maybe you think a trial plan has higher stuff and this one. So if we advise you, you can go for either normal or trial, because starter plan has a longer level, so it will take some time before you can achieve it. Now before you can register on ODAP, you need to get an activation code. Like, you can register without an activation code. Let me show you what I mean by that. First thing, you need somebody to refer you. So if you don't have anybody to refer you, can just click enter admin, then you submit it. If you do not have anybody that referred you, so you can see there is a need for activation pin. So you can only purchase one. So to purchase one, you just have to select the kind of plan that you want to go for. So if you want to go for trial plan, you enter trial plan, you enter the number of pin you want to buy. So let's say you want to create multiple accounts, you can just go for 3 pin, then it will tell you the cost, and then you can now enter your name, then you enter your email. Now I want to explain some things to you. So make sure that your email is correct, because that is where you are going to receive the pin there. So you can read, before you can register on ODAP, you will need to get an activation code, your activation code. Please verify your details well and make sure you enter the correct information. So you can even put your nickname on the full name, but this email, don't joke with it. And anytime you are asked to pay, make sure you pay the exact amount. So let me just show you. I enter 3 that I want to buy 3 pins, so it will bring out the cost for me. So now if I'm going to purchase the pin, I must make sure I send the exact value. You can see there is kobo there. Don't remove the kobo that is there. Make sure you always send the exact value if you want to receive your pin. So if you do not send the exact value, that means your funds will be refunded after 72 working days. 72 working that's 72 hours working days. That's just 3 days, 3 days of waiting. So it's better you take note of this warning. Always make sure you send the exact value. So back to the page where we are explaining this stuff, so that way when you successfully make the payment, you will receive the pin. Now there are frequently asked question: what is the meaning of ODAP? I've explained how it works. ODAP is a social networking that pays user in which they can withdraw to their bank account, crypto or crypto wallet. So your earning can be withdrawn to either crypto wallet and all that stuff. So this is how it works. You purchase your activation code. I've shown you that way. Use it to register. I That aspect is this: when you enter your details, then you will need pin, so you enter it. Then after your registration, so you are going to get this. Now this is for people that venture into normal plan. So normal plan comes with 300 O cash and 15 days tax subscription, which means you can view tax for 15 days for free without paying. So, and there are numbers of tax you can view. So if trial and starter doesn't have this welcoming bonus pack, so that's the reason why I do refer people to go for trial, to normal plan. Then you can start trading and also complete the daily tax. Then from there, when you invite people directly, you get 400 naira instantly. So that's another nice stuff about the normal plan. Others also have, but it's not up to this amount. And normally you paid 1,000 naira, so you are going to get, and you can also earn more than 5,000 plus for teamwork. So that is when you are not a networker, so you can just earn from that. So is ODAP registered? Yes, ODAP is registered under CAC. So who can join ODAP? A retired person, a stay-at-home housewife, a single parent, a student, a physically challenged person, anyone that needs extra income can just join ODAP. I'm rushing these things so that it won't take much of the time. So what are the things you're supposed to know? So I think that one is not opening. It's not opening. So we can just skip that. So can I earn without referring? Yes, you can earn without referring. So you can actually earn without referring. So it is through trading and completing any cards. So if you're not good in referring, you can just go ahead and you can message the support for, if you have any stuff, you can just contact them for any stuff. So that is just the summary of how that works. Actually, for those that are into networking, that love networking, if you want to venture into networking, sorry, I think there was a lot of noise. Sorry about that. So if you want to go into networking, you are going to this is you. Then you are going to bring in 3 people. Then from there they circle out. I don't know if you get it that way. They circle out, and when they circle out that way, then you circle out, then they circle out to come and join it. So that's the networking part of ODAP. So I think that's all for how ODAP works, the home page, what you need to understand about ODAP. So don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be notified. So I'm going to explain further how you can manage and have access to your dashboard, how you can go ahead and trade, all other stuff. I'm going to do that in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be notified. So thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful time. Remain blessed, and don't forget that ODAP is paying for real. So make sure you take advantage of that and earn from it. So thank you once again. Have a wonderful time. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.